am making a Patriotic Cheesecake Fluff. I don't know what you want to call it, but what I got here is my no-bake cheesecake filling. Now, if you want the original recipe, Dining on a Dime, Volume 1, right there, it is in here, but now they make it like this. And since this is super easy recipes, I thought that I would make it super easy. So what I'm gonna do is take my fluff and my whipped topping, and I'm going to very lightly mix this together so it is a fluff consistency. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Then I'm going to take my strawberries. Oops, what did I do that for? Now I live in Wyoming, so our strawberries are always horridly pitiful here. But that's what I give up to have nice non-humid weather. So I'll sacrifice strawberries for low humidity. The blueberries, oops. And I'm going to stir this all in. Yum. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious.